Y'all, AI has made my job harder and not easier, and I'm going to tell you why. Because there are junior and mid-level engineers who don't fully understand how to read code yet, how to debug code yet, what software design patterns are. So they're not able to be as specific with how they utilize AI, like step by step. They're mostly just telling AI to do something for them.
I didn't know they allowed software engineers to graduate in that field without fully understanding how to code and develop code. I mean, that doesn't make sense at all. You get out to the field and you don't know what you're doing. Now you're using AI instead of working with the fundamentals that you were taught. It's like simple math, like 1 + 1, 2 + 2. I mean, you don't need a calculator for that. And for you to be a software engineer, the fundamentals are very important.
And then AI is using, whatever they can, resources to do the code. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it doesn't fit the design pattern of what we're using, right? But then the next junior or mid-level engineer will come in and they'll instruct AI to do something. And now AI is implementing something completely different because it's one, no context of what was implemented before. And then two, it's not being instructed to follow what was implemented before. So now the AI that the other person is using is implementing something else and then talking about we're saving the other code here for backwards compatibility. Why aren't you just doing it the way that we're doing it? So the code ends up being a mess, and in the long run there's so much more cleanup that's needed. There's so many more bugs that arise, and the only people that can actually fix them without using AI are the senior engineers or the lead engineers. And it really stresses us out because we might come in expecting to do some work that day, and now we can't do it because the code is broke because of AI. You know what I'm saying?
We all worked with AI before, and it could be a disadvantage. Sometimes it could take longer working with AI to do simple things than to use AI. I mean, we are familiar with it. It doesn't give you exactly what you want all the time. It gives you examples of things you might like, and that's how it benefits you. But in the long run, it can make working in these type of jobs more difficult over time because you got to keep redoing stuff and keep figuring it out. And sometimes doing things the old way or the fundamental way is the best way.